boy, oh boy, the mayor did it again. Arrived late at a high-profile public event. This time,
church.
15 minutes after Cardinal Dolan started speaking, the mayor comes in. You can't do this discreetly. He's sitting in the front row. 15 minutes late.
But wasn't it only yesterday that he talked about being more prompt?
Oh, my goodness gracious. If I were him, I would have gone in the back. I would have said, you know
I
what?
wouldn't have showed up at that point.
Yeah. Oh, boy, the front. Yes, here he is yesterday on being late and how he wants to work on it. Listen.
It's always, a lot going on. But as I've said, one of my New Year's resolutions is to work on punctuality. I'll continue to do so. Yes.
Yeah, continue to do so. Eventually. Ooh, coming in 15 minutes after the Cardinals started. You don't sit in the front row. I don't care who you are.
And he's not a short guy that you can kind of just come in unnoticed. You know what I mean? He's a big, tall guy sitting in the front row, and the Cardinal is, serving.
Let's watch one more time as he comes in. I want to see his face.
I'm nervous for him.
Let's see. Is he smiling? Is he like? Is he awkward? Does he feel? Oh gosh. He's kind of taking it all in stride. He doesn't seem too embarrassed. Well, there he is.
It was, Mass was supposed to start at 8:30. I got my notice yesterday that Mass was at 8:30. Was the police commissioner already there? Because I see the police commissioner in the first row. He's not even looking. He's looking straight ahead.
Yikes. All right, listen, it's great that you go to church. You know what I mean? But man, forget about...
You know what? Right after church, he should go ask for a special, confession.
I don't know.
I'm sorry.
I don't know.
Bless me, Father, for I have sinned. I've been late to everything, including Mass today.
Is that a sin? I think it's a faux pas, major, big time. I don't know if it comes under the sin category.
I don't know. Irish eyes cannot be smiling this morning.
All right.